As children, we are continuing the video now. We are going to see parts of speech. Already we have read, yes, parts of speech. Tanya bought milk. So which is the subject here? Tanya. And what is the action? Bought. Verb. Then what is the object here? Milk. So the word on which the action is taking place is milk. Meera sent letter. Meera is a subject, sent is the action, letter is the object. Kajal made lunch. Kajal is a subject, made is a verb and lunch is the object. Deepa paints walls. Deepa is a subject, paints is the verb and walls is the object. Manoj buys clothes. Manoj is a subject, buys is the action, verb, clothes is the object. Raja drinks juice. Raja subject, drinks verb and juice object. Karan wears clothes. Karan is a subject. Who is doing the action is the subject. Karan is a subject on whom the action takes place. Clothes. So wears is the verb and clothes is the object. Manish closed the door. Closed door. Manish is a subject. Action is closed and door is the object. Here, informative article chart. How to write an informative article chart. For this, three things are there. One is topic sentence. First topic. Introduce what you will be writing. And supporting details. 2 or 3 sentences supporting that. And closing sentence. End. One strong, powerful sentence you should write to end it. There is an example given in the lead that is about Albert Einstein. And these are all the points like a flow chart you have to put and then you have to go for the paragraph. Okay. So first this is how you can write our ideas in point form. That is my opinion. That is the main idea. Then reason why you are telling that. Reason 1, 2, 3 like that ending sentence. So the first sentence, then paragraph 1, 2, 3 and then last sentence. Like this you have to make a opinion. Then you have prepositions is explained. Okay, prepositions are short words. We are already read, no? Different parts of a sentence is connecting. They tell us a relationship between people and places. So how does it connect? On is used to show day, date. Used to show the position of a person. Day, date, position. For example, I will meet you on Sunday. That is a day. Day, date and the position. Position means like Ravi was sitting on the chair. At shows the exact time at 4 p.m. Okay. In shows the part of the day, that is in the evening. Towards shows direction. I walk towards the beach. Near shows the position. Direction, position. Towards, near. My house is near the station. During shows the duration. During the play. During the play means some drama is taking place during that. For shows reason. We started splashing water for fun. With shows means and shows possession. A boy was making pictures with sand. Okay. Then without shows lack of possession, not having something. Then lack. Hema likes milk without sugar. Against. To disagree with something. I am against animal cruelty. Okay. So that is what we read now already. Prepositions and then subject, verb is object. What is a subject? That is a noun, pronoun doing the action. Verb is the action that is being done. And object is a noun, pronoun on which the action is taking place. So why you are reading all these things? To make a paragraph better, whatever you are writing, you should write it properly using proper grammar. Okay, so this is very, very important. Cup strategy. Whenever you write, you should use cup strategy. What is cup strategy? You should use proper capital letters, proper nouns, name of a person. Okay, for I am a good girl. I, at the beginning of a sentence, all these things, capital should be there. And use simple sentence structures. Don't complicate the sentence. And what you should do, you should put finger space between words. And also check the spellings. That is cups, capital, use simple sentence, put one finger space, and spellings all are correct. Then arm strategy. Arm strategy is whenever there is unnecessary, that is whatever is not needed, unnecessary details, remove the details, add the details which are needed, and move words and sentence in proper way. ARMS, substitute or change words. Wherever it is needed, you can change the words. So that is the arm strategy. Add details, remove unnecessary details, move words in sentence, and substitute words. Okay, this we have already seen how the verb Raman eats, that is SVO we have seen. Adverb. Adverb is something which is telling about the action. Okay. How is Raman eating? Slowly. The verb tells us that Raman eats. Eats is the action. The adverb slowly tells how Raman eats. So that is the adverb. How the action is done, that is adverb. Slowly. Raman plays sometimes. We have already read different types of adverbs. So adverbs, how frequently, that is also there. Raman plays. When does he play? Sometimes only. Can you guess the adverb? Sometimes. The verb tells us Raman plays, and the adverb tells us when Raman plays. Okay, when the action is taking place, how the action is taking place, that is adverb. It tells us about the verb. Yes, some examples will be explained now. Raman drinks quickly. How is Raman drinking? Quickly, that is adverb. How fast? Raman plays every day. How often he is playing? Every day. That is frequency. Raman is studying now. When? Now. So now is the adverb. Raman has gone quietly. How he has gone? Quietly he has gone. So that is the action. That is how you have to find out adverbs. How the action is taking place. Okay. In the next video, we are going to see what are connectors.